Alright you lot, so what is up? What is going on? Welcome back to another video. Now today, me and Dan here are driving to Austria, 16 hours I think, and this is where Dan is going to be sleeping.
Bonsoir. Knocked up in about 45 minutes.
Decent.
Yeah,
Got a mattress, water, charging, all sorted, mate.
Everything I need, there's no organisation whatsoever.
Alright, we're ready. We need to hop on the Eurotunnel, get over to Calais, and then crack on with this long drive to Austria. So, let's do it. Alright, so the current time is 5:30 in the morning. The Eurostar we booked leaves at about 6:30, so let's go. We're in Folkestone at the moment. We just need to drive 10 minutes down the road and we're there. Alright, so I've got this little bit of paper that I'm guessing is pretty important. Let's get all this stuff sorted and then I'll be back with you guys then.
Hello,
You alright?
okay. Where are you off to?
France.
And where else?
France, Switzerland, Croatia, Germany. Probably a couple of, just my house, pretty much. That's the best way to explain it. Sweet, cheers mate. Yeah, no worries. So mate, he just asked me what's in the van, and yeah, my house is the answer. Didn't really know what to say.
I told him you was with me, innit? I said I'm with the guy behind.
Yeah.
Said just go and film some abandoned places around Europe. I was loving it, to be fair.
Oh really? Alright, so we're through all the passport control, just need to hop on to the Eurostar. So here's the plan. I've got an entire month of work. Me and Dan are travelling over to Europe. We're basically going to be travelling Europe. So I am obviously going to be posting a lot more content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. So if you don't follow me on any of those, make sure to give me a follow. There'll be a link in the description down below. Once we get off the Eurostar, we've got about an 800-mile drive to Austria to meet some drone pilots over there.
Fully passed out, and then some woman came on, she was like, Andre? I was like, what the fuck's going on?
Made it to France, mate.
Some handstand blocks.
Go on, mate. Oh. Go on. How you feeling?
Yeah, 50-50 mate, alright, yeah, not too bad, feel better. Wish I'd had a bit more kit, but it is what it is. It's a lot of driving.
So we have pulled over. Gonna wait half an hour, rest up, and then crack on with the next few hours of driving pretty much. What have we done, Dan?
There was definitely a big noise, mate.
Yeah, what's that?
What is that? Oh!
What? What is that?
What the? What has happened? I seen it in the road and I was like, yeah, about it.
What was it?
Bit of plastic or something, I don't know.
Alright, so we pulled over at a service station. There is a shower here, so in the morning we can shower and then we can basically get some sleep now because the sun is setting and we've just been driving for, how long have we been driving for? At least like 12 hours?
Yeah.
For about 12 hours I reckon. Wash! First night of sleep at a service station.
Oi, oi.
How was it?
It was alright, man. Big storm.
Slept at a service station last night. We are now going to drive the last 4 hours to this abandoned place, fly a few packs and then find another park up for tonight. We have made it to the first bando. As you can see, it's just there behind us. 16 hours of driving, mate. Absolutely smashed through that. How was your drive?
Yeah, pretty good, but no complaints. Just trashing my van.
The plan is we're going to spend a few days in Austria and then we're driving over to Croatia. Come on then, down the train track. Come on. On roof dives up there. So me and Dan have been here for about 5 minutes. We're going to send the drone up in a minute. We can't find any way to the higher floors, so hopefully we don't crash up there and we should be all good.
Alright, first pack was pretty successful. Didn't really break anything, just bent a prop. Obviously the whole goal of this trip is to get social media content, YouTube content, TikTok content, and Instagram content pretty much.
Yeah,
Yeah, it should be okay.
should be okay, right?
Straight through the window. Alright, we've made it inside the bando. As you can see, this place is huge. We've got dives everywhere. Holes there, holes there, holes there. There goes me ND filter. Let's try this dive again. Go on, Dan, what did you just say?
2 day, my favourite band.
We've only been here, this is the first bando we've come to in Europe and it's his favourite one already. We've still got like 50 more to hit.
Nah, this is the best.
We haven't been Croatia yet. Alright, we've finished up today, we've got to get the bags back down this hole. Got a little bit of rope and that. Alright, so we've spent 16 hours of driving for this first bando. We're absolutely finished. Did just want to fly. I haven't flown my drone in about... When was the last time we flew? Maybe like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago?
At least a month, innit?
Yeah, probably haven't.
Was at least a month.
Yeah, I haven't flown the drone for about a month just because I've been working loads to come out here to Europe. So now I've got a month off work. I'm finished, mate. I'm absolutely done. I'm going to end this video off here, but if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button because we're going to be posting a ton more content from Europe pretty much. I don't even know what to say. I'm done. I'm ready for a shower, a little bit of food.
To the next one.
And then we'll crack on with the rest of the trip, but just need to like reset myself tonight. So, hit the like button, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace.